To the slop. And you eat like a man.
This watermelon eating contest is extremely slow
And
sloppy.
I win.
You win. Alicia wins with her bowl of cereal.
Oh, it's close.
Mom's just in it for the free watermelon.
Share.
No.
The judge wants a piece of that.
No.
She won't let her. Thank you. Ha! Trick question, you're not disqualified! I'm just kidding, you're not disqualified.
Swallow what's in your mouth.
She's almost done. She's almost done. You
Until it gets to the white.
Right here.
You gotta eat till the white.
So
Eat to the white. Eat to the white.
Scrape it. Come on, he's almost done.
Ew.
That's so nasty. I'm gonna throw up.
Yeah.
She is over there spewing her watermelon to cheat. You cheater. He's almost done, Celeste.
You guys are making me laugh, so I can't eat it.
I think
So?
Yeah, I think Celeste might have won by like a millisecond because Hillman's pretty much done.
Nope. Oh, there's a candy over there.
And the winner is Mom.
Excuse me.
You're...
I can win this.
Stop eating my... Ah! You are disqualified! Do not eat other competitors' watermelon, no matter how slow and Grandma like they are eating.
Don't bite it.
No, because you're just trying to go crazy on it.
No. Done.
Woo!
Woo!
That's it, folks.
In 3 pieces.
Wait,
I didn't spew it out.
Yeah.
Butterfly.
I still won.
You did spew a little bit.
A
So
lot.
I think it's a tie.
I won.
I think it's a tie.
No,
Ready?
I won.
Are you still videotaping?
Yes.
This is why this family is not allowed to compete. Remember
I
that.
said it was a tie.
And I said
And scene.
I'm the